Hello, today we're going to see how to download the Capital One app. Alright, this process is pretty simple, quite straightforward. What we need to do is go to our App Store. In my case, that's the Play Store. I'm going to open it, and to open it, well, when we open it, we'll see this message. We'll tap on Not Now, and then here we'll tap this button that says Search. And here what we're going to do is type Capital One. We type Capital One and search for it. As soon as we perform the search, it will immediately show up right here. It has already appeared for me on the screen, and what I am going to proceed to do is to carefully install it and then patiently wait for it to completely finish its installation process. We will need to wait for a brief moment, just a few short seconds, until it is fully and entirely installed. It is generally a pretty quick and straightforward process, so it's simply a matter of patiently waiting for it to conclude, right? It's just a matter of patiently waiting for the process to complete. We simply need to wait for a short period, and then once everything is finalized, we will be able to open the application. And here, as you can see, we have the app readily available. We just need to patiently wait for the installation process to fully finish and conclude, ensuring everything is properly set up before proceeding. For it to load, and here we can enter our username and password, and that's it. It's really simple. If this video helped you, please leave a comment and subscribe.